Hello everyone. Today we're going to recognize the letter T. And at the end, we will see which sticker we're going to get. Are you ready? Let's go. Letter T. What sound does the T make? It makes the T, T, T sound. Shall we write the letter T? We're going to start from the top, all the way down to the bottom line. Then we're going back to the top line and across. Letter T. Shall we write the T sound? We're going to start from the top, all the way down to the bottom line. And then we're going to just go, not right at the top, just below the top and across. Well done. T, T sound. Can you see the letter T? Let's name the letters. S, T, P. Can you point to the letter T? Well done, super job. Three more letters. Let's find the letter T. Let's name the letters. M, G, T. Can you point to the letter T? Well done, super work. Now this time we're going to find the T, T sound. Let's say the sound. T, P, G. Can you point to the T sound? Well done, super work, fantastic. Three more sounds. Let's say the sounds. L, T, S. Can you point to the T sound? Well done, super work, fantastic. We have lots of letters here. We're going to find all the letter T and highlight it green. Are you ready? Let's go. Well done, we found the first T. Let's look for the next T. Fantastic. Great work, well done. Let's look for the next one. Fantastic. Are there any more? Well done. Fantastic job. Great work. Now we have lots of sounds here. We're going to find all the T sound and then highlight it green. Let's go. Well done. Super job. Fantastic. Let's look for the next T. Great work. Well done. We found another T. Fantastic. Great work. Well done. Can you see any more? Super work. Well done. Great work. Fantastic. Super work. Are there any more? Yes, well done. The final one, well done. We found all the T sounds. Which picture starts with the T sound? Let's name the pictures. Teeth. Legs. Arm. It's not the arm or the legs. Fantastic work. Teeth. Three more pictures. Let's find the pictures that starts with a T sound. Bear. Tiger. Snake. It's not the snake. Or bear. Well done. It's tiger. Super work. Well done. Now let's read some words that start with a T sound. Top. Let's read another word. Tap. Tap. Tin. Well done, everyone. Amazing work. Fantastic job. Now, are you ready for your sticker? Let's have a look. Oh wow, look at that. You have a snowman sticker. Fantastic job. Well done. Now, bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.